Spending my days with you is like living in a world of fancy, with all the beautiful people I know, making love in a world of vivid colors. How often have I been there? Well, it really doesn't matter as long as we're together. You and me together, we will journey to seek and see the colors.
Viva! 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 Viva!
Come to life with a stroke of your soothing hands.
Kay Karzan!
I will come to understand. Seasons
Happy birthday! Thank you, Masete!
Stars will
Alam kong gustong-gusto mo yung amoy nito. Hopefully, yung scent nito, yung magpagaan ng nararamdaman mo pag naaamoy mo ito. I love you so much.
I know that spending my days with you is like living in a world of fancy, with all the beautiful people I know, making love in a world of vivid colors. How often have I been there? Well, it really doesn't matter as long as
Michelle, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si John Paul na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
with each other, there will be no problems that will
Hi, love. Hi, love. I know how happy you are. Ha ha ha. Ready ka na bang mag-Versace on the floor?
sing a world of our own.
And close the door. Ooh, I love you, never you won't need it anymore.
And seasons go.
Thank you kasi sa lahat ng pagsusumikap para matupad yung mga pangarap natin. Sa dami na nangyari, akala ko talaga hindi na tayo aabot sa ganito. Pero praise God kasi dito na tayo ngayon.
I know
At ngayong araw, sa tulong at gabay sa atin ng Panginoon, dumating yung araw na minsan ay pangarap lang natin. Isang araw na panghabang buhay, sandata natin sa anumang hamon ng buhay.
Huwag gayaang matapos ang araw ng may galit sa bawat isa. Kapag may sugat, piliin ang paghilom kaysa paghihiganti. Bumalik kayo saan? Sa prayer, sa panalangin. Dahil doon kayo muling palalakasin.
hand back the handbook from my old way of life. I know I'm afraid to be
John Paul, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Michelle na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
I admit that I'm frightened, scared of being misled. 'Cause what hasn't started, well, it never has to come to an end. I was safe in the quiet, but here I am questioning, where do I lay all the love? I lay all the love I have left.
Dumating man tayo sa panahon nakakapagod na. Usahan mo, magpapahinga ako sa bahay. This is it. I love you. Ready ka na ba mag-get out?
Round 3.
I love you.
Love you. Isang bagay naman yung pinanghawakan ko at naging inspirasyon ko galing sa'yo. Yung salitang, kung kaya kitang hintayin sa tamang panahon, Alda. Mahal na mahal kita, Michelle Simbi Robles.
I was safe in the quiet, but here I am questioning.
Ang pag-ibig ninyo
Where do I
ay susubukin ng panahon. Pero maging matatag lang kayo. Balikan niyo yung araw na ito na sa harapan ng Diyos, kayo ay sumumpa na habang buhay magsasama sa hirap at ginhawa.